Hello, my name is Victor Llano, and today I'll be showing you how to add shipping couriers on your Prestashop. First of all, we go to Improve and click on the shipping. Go to Couriers, and we can see our current couriers. Now we want to add a new one in this case, so we'll go ahead and click on Add New Courier. First step is the general settings, the courier name. We're going to name it FedEx. Transit time will be next day delivery. Speed grade will be 9, the highest level. And we'll go and click on next. Next is the shipping locations and costs. We're not going to add any handling costs, and obviously we're not going to do free shipping. And the billing will be according to the total weight. There's no tax. We can actually choose different kinds of tax. I guess we're in California, so let's put the California tax and apply the cost of the highest defined range. All right. So here we'll be applying the weight. We could also change it to the price. If the price is this, you can charge more, but that doesn't really make sense. Mainly is the weight, usually what they do extra charges on. So we'll say will be applied when the weight is more than 25 pounds. All right. And then will be applied when the weight is less than 100 pounds. That seems maybe seems a little unfair. Let's do 50 pounds. That way, not everybody gets charged. I mean, 50 pounds is pretty heavy, so I think that should be good. So this is when it will be charged, between this range right here. We'll only be selling to North America, and the charge will be $15. All right. Go ahead and click next after that. Then we can choose the sizes, the dimensions of the package. We don't feel like it's necessary since we already got the weight, and we don't really want to charge too much people. We want to sell as much as we can, as as large packages as we could. The more, the bigger, the better. So we'll make it available for everybody once again, and we'll go next. Now this is just a summary. It tells us all the details for our new shipping courier, and we just finish. Now we can see FedEx right here. None of these are free shipping, but here it is, next day delivery. There we go. And that's pretty much how you add a new courier to your Prestashop. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Bye.